Hello my friends, Katie here, and today's practice is all about feeling worthy of a beautiful life. We'll start out with some Qigong to open up the body, to come back to the present moment, to feel connected and grounded and feel open to receiving. Then we will use some tapping to call in our worth. So if that sounds good for you, go ahead and find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and step into a wide stance. You're gonna grab one of your wrists. It can be either one, doesn't matter. Inhale as you lift up, stretching and elongating the body. Exhale as you bend forward, hinging from the hips. Inhaling, bending the knees and rolling up from the spine. Inhaling, stretch. Exhale. Inhale, rolling up. Exhale down, keeping the knees nice and straight, or the legs nice and straight, then bending, and then just rippling vertebrae by vertebrae all the way up. So starting at your feet, pushing from your feet, bending your knees, rolling up your tailbone, all the way up to your fingertips. I'll do this from the side so you can get a better view. But folding forward and then rolling up. Just a few more. Really opening up the entire body. Feeling it connected, grounded into the earth as it ripples up. Softening the spine. One more time, stretching up, hinging forward, and rippling up. And with your one arm, you're gonna pull your arm to the side. So whichever arm you had linked around your wrist, pulling to the side, opening up the side body, just for a breath or two. And switching sides, looping the other wrist, giving it a pull to help open up the side of the body, the side of the arm. And coming back to center. Go ahead and rub your hands together. You're gonna create some heat, some friction. Placing your hands on your lower back over top of your kidneys. We're gonna do hip rotation. So starting small, and you're gonna work your way out to larger rotations. So here we're working our girdle vessel meridian, runs like a belt along the center of the body. So this is just one of my favorites for really opening up the communication from the top and the lower half of the body. It's also great for really getting our digestive system moving, waking up all of those internal organs. Getting as wide as you can. And then go ahead and start to wheel yourself back in. Okay, and other direction. Starting in those smaller circles. And getting larger and larger. Breath is normal, it's relaxed. Just focusing on opening up the middle of the body. Hands are keeping the kidneys nice and warm. And start to work your way back in. Beautiful. Keeping your hands on your kidneys, you're just going to do that little roll once more. And bend back, keep it there for a second, opening up the front of the body. Just kind of allowing yourself to hang. If you feel a pinch in your neck, just hold your head up a little bit. As always, listen to your body. And then go ahead and bend forward. You can allow your arms to fall. If you need a little bend in your knees, just allowing your body to hang, opening up the back of the body. Give a little swing here. And coming back up to center. Beautiful. So go ahead and step your right leg out. You're going to exhale as you scoop forward, bringing your arms up, bearing your weight on your back leg, and inhaling as you open up your arms. So exhaling, shifting your weight to the front leg, and then inhaling as you come up and open up your arms. So I love to pair visualization with movement. So here you can visualize you're scooping into water, and as you come up, you're bringing it over top of your head and allowing that water to trickle down your body. It's almost like a water full of bright, healing, vital energy. Bring it up over top of you and allow it to trickle through your entire being. So scooping, shifting back, and opening up. Just a few more. So anything you can do to pair that visualization to help really calm down the nervous system. So thinking of yourself in a nice peaceful lake or river, sun shining over your head, birds chirping. And coming back to center. Shifting your other leg out, so your left leg out. And again, scooping down, weight on the left leg, coming up, weight bears on the right leg. So exhale, scooping. And inhale, open yourself up. Biggest thing is just really getting in a flow. You really want to feel like you're in a meditation, in a moving meditation. So pairing your breath with the calm and the relaxing movements and the visualization. Just allow that to consume and take over. Opening up, shifting forward, scooping, and opening as you come back to center. Allow your arms to float down. Allow them to settle by your side just for a moment. So your feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in the knees, tall spine, hands hovering by your side. Just take a moment to feel your body. Feel some of the sensations. Might feel like energy is buzzing throughout. Coming back to placing your hands by your hips. You're going to inhale, scoop your hand up, almost like you're grabbing a star out of the sky, rotating the hands so the palms facing up, and exhaling, allowing it to float down. Inhale up. Rotating the hand, and exhale as your hand comes down. Keeping your focus on the center of your hand. It's hard for the mind to wander when it has purpose, when it has something that it needs to be doing. Rotating to one side, exhale as it floats, and to the opposite. Just a few more here. Really allowing your body to feel safe and feel calm before we start our tapping. And back to center, inhaling as you scoop up. And exhaling, sinking down. One more time, inhale, scoop up. And then exhale, sinking down. Now simply tapping where I'm tapping and repeating after me. I am worthy of a beautiful life. Inner brow, letting go of any beliefs that I deserve less than anyone else. Outer eye, choosing to see the limitless possibilities that lay before me. Under eye, and allowing myself to accept them. Upper lip, because this is a big world with endless opportunities. Chin, opportunities that flow to me effortlessly because I believe in them. Collarbone, it's time to take charge. It's time to believe in myself. Side of the body, I believe that this life, my life, is worthy of receiving abundance, happiness, top of the head, and I am open to a life full of wonder. I am worthy of a beautiful life. Placing your hands on your wrist, about 3 finger widths down, taking a deep breath in through the nose, and an exhale out the mouth. Go ahead and place your hands on your lower dantian. Close your eyes for just a moment. And use the power of visualization to take you to wherever you want to go. If there is something that you have been working towards, whatever it is that makes you feel in that space of worthy of this beautiful life. If it's a job, if it's a family, if it's a significant other, take this time to close your eyes and visualize that beauty unfolding before you. Make it as if you are watching the movie of your life, creating your own movie of what you want your life to look like. Whatever it is that you are longing for, whatever it is that you're working for, be open to receiving it, because you are worthy of receiving it. Deep breath in, out, give your belly a little rub. And there you go, my friends. Hopefully that made you feel worthy and powerful of the life that you deserve. You all deserve whatever it is that you want in life, and I truly mean that. Sending you all my love.